If you need to make an image black and white in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to turn a full color picture into black and white without leaving Word and without needing any extra software. This is perfect for reports, school projects, flyers, documents, or anytime you want a cleaner, more professional looking image. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the picture you want to change. Click directly on the image so it becomes selected. Once the image is selected, you'll see the Picture Format tab appear at the top of Word. If you don't see it right away, just make sure the image is actually clicked and active, because this tab only appears when Word knows you're editing a picture. Now go up to the Picture Format tab and click on Color. This option gives you different image color adjustments, including color variations and saturation settings. When the drop-down menu opens, look for the section that lets you control the color intensity of the image. Here, you want to choose the color option and then set the saturation to 0%. Bringing saturation down to 0 removes the color from the picture and makes it black and white. After you select the black and white style, Word will automatically apply the change to your image. You should see the photo update immediately inside your document. If the image still looks a little tinted, double check that saturation is truly at 0% and not just lowered partway. Sometimes people choose a grayscale style preview, but the key setting to remember is saturation at 0 for a true black and white look. If you want to make the picture look even better after changing it, you can also adjust its size, position, or text wrapping so it fits neatly into your document. That's one of the advantages of doing this inside Word, because you can edit the image and your document layout at the same time. You can also repeat the same steps for any other picture in the file. Just click the next image, go back to Picture Format, open Color, and reduce saturation to 0% again. This method works great when you want all your images to have the same visual style, especially for documents that need a more formal or minimal look. It's also a fast way to make printed pages look cleaner when color isn't necessary. And because you're doing everything directly in Microsoft Word, there's no need to export the image, edit it in another app, and bring it back in. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I post simple tutorials like this all the time. It really helps the channel grow, and it helps me keep making more easy Microsoft Word guides for you. And that's it. Now you know how to make an image black and white in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.